Hey there, I'm Jack with Milmar Buildings, and today we're talking about post-frame maintenance. Whether your post-frame building is brand new or has been standing for years, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. It's not complicated, but it is important, and it helps protect your investment in the long run. We'll cover how to do a basic maintenance checkup on your barn, as well as best practices for general upkeep. At the end of the day, this kind of building is designed to be practical and durable, but even the toughest barns and shops need a checkup now and then. Let's start outside. You want to walk around your building and look for any loose panels, missing screws, or signs of rust. Metal can expand and contract with the weather, so fasteners can loosen up over time. Tighten anything that's worked its way out and replace anything that's damaged. If your building has gutters, make sure they're clear. Leaves, twigs, and debris can build up fast, especially in the fall, and clog drainage. That can lead to standing water or ice dams under your roof panels, which you of course want to avoid. Check for gaps or lifted edges around your trim and flashing, especially around doors and windows. Water always finds the weakest spot, so sealing these up can prevent a lot of headaches later. If your building is insulated, check for moisture, mold, or rodent activity. Good airflow is your best friend here. Make sure vents aren't blocked and insulation is staying dry. Overhead and entry doors get a lot of use. Make sure the tracks are clean, hardware is tight, and seals are in good shape to keep weather and the critters out. A quick brush around the tracks and some lubrication will help keep those doors working great. You want to check out your posts and scan the base of those of the interior framing. You want to look for any signs of shifting or rot or water pooling. Catching a small issue now can save you big repair costs later. You want to keep the perimeter of your building clear. Grass, brush, or snow piled up against the sides of your building can trap moisture and attract pests, as well as scratch the metal. Speaking of scratches, even small dings in your metal siding and trim can start to rust if left exposed. You want to schedule a yearly walk around. Spring or fall is a great time to make it a part of your routine. Power wash the exterior once in a while to keep a nice, clean barn exterior, as well as help identify any dings, dents, or holes that may have happened over the past year. If you're housing livestock, it's a good idea to regularly check for corrosion near stalls, waters, or feed areas where moisture and ammonia can wear on your metal panels or fasteners over time. In equipment barns, dust and debris from tractors and combines can build up quickly. Keeping your exhaust vents clear and checking insulation and dampers around the exhaust fan system is important. If you've turned your barn into a personal workshop or garage, check for signs of sawdust buildup in the outlets or vents. These type of things should be checked in any type of build, as they become a fire hazard if left unchecked. If you're storing classic cars, woodworking tools, or recreational gear, maintaining a steady interior temperature and sealing up air leaks helps protect your investments from rust or moisture damage. In a commercial shop where forklifts or delivery trucks are frequently coming and going, it's a good idea to inspect overhead door hardware and safety sensors monthly. If your building stores inventory or production equipment, make sure your ventilation and insulation systems are performing well, as energy efficiency and climate control can have a real impact on your bottom line. At the end of the day, like anything, your building just needs a little care to help keep doing its job right. The good news is that post-frame buildings can last you a lifetime and beyond when constructed properly and when their low maintenance needs are kept up with. If you ever have questions or spot something you're unsure about, don't hesitate to give us a call. We know these buildings inside and out, and we're always happy to help.